Hello, my name is Mindy Moore. I'm from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This is my final video, so I'm going to jump right on to it. This is my sketch for my final. We've got the front and the back, the center panel, two side panels, and then two panels in the back that make up the center panel once the zipper's been drawn through it. We've got the zipper, the kick plate, and then this cap sleeve, which only goes about 2/3 of the way down that part of the dress. So finished. It's kind of hard to see on video, but finished. This is what it looked like. There we go. We've got the collar, the cap sleeves, the shape, of course the zipper and hook and eyes, and the kick pleat. Fabric choice, I went with a generic woven cotton. It's not much of a stretch to either of these, even though of course the grain is going the correct direction for the fabric. I chose the type of fabric because I thought it would be a good fabric for the project that we were doing, with all trying to learn how to make darts and pleats and that sort of thing, and actually fitting it to the person. I also chose it for aesthetic reasons. I have this bolder fabric in the center to draw attention to the center of the fabric, and then these darker fabrics I hoped would be slimming and would let that attention be drawn so that the whole thing overall would have kind of a slimming effect, just drawing everything to that center panel, and they're just very pretty together. Pattern pieces. Okay, I accidentally dropped them. We'll start in the back. I've got the dress back. You can see how many alterations I made to this. Initially I had it here, but that was just me working on automatic from the semester, so I had to change that. Moved it down here, made some more alterations, lots going on there. The dart was moved over when I added extra width, and we've got a kick plate at the bottom. Got the dress back side, which of course connects right under that area that was altered, so that was also, there's also a lot involved in editing this one, even though you can't see those alterations on it. The dress front side, which connects to the dress back side. Waistline, hip line, there. And the center front. I actually moved the line over here, even though we usually go through the bust point. I wanted that to be a little bit wider. It turned out really well, even though I'll probably do it through the bust point next time, just to kind of learn some more from that and compare in the future. We've got the back neck facing and the front neck facing. There we go. Those attach, and of course sewn into the collar. Got the cap sleeve, and because the cap sleeve only goes part way down, the underarm bias tape, which I folded in half and ran along that raw edge there. Coolest, most valuable thing learned from this. The coolest thing that I learned from this was that I can make those alterations. Like, I had to make so many alterations, well, not so many, but a lot of alterations, and I was able to do it. And it wasn't until I was doing it that I realized, like, that I wasn't even thinking about it and that they were working out. So that was a really exciting realization that I could do that. Greatest challenge was also the coolest thing that I learned. Alterations took a very long time, even though they came kind of naturally, because I was still learning, and I'm still learning. So it was challenging. It took some time, but it turned out really, really well. There were a lot of surprises, mostly just when it came to fitting, and with me making those changes, making sure that they matched up and everything. But in the end, it looked really good. My model felt really happy wearing it. I felt happy looking at it, and I think it was a really successful project. I feel so happy, just so grateful about everything I've learned over the semester, and I'm really excited to keep learning more. So that's all from me. I'll finish up with that today. Thanks. Bye-bye.